Hey there, gearheads! Welcome back to another episode where we dive into the nitty-gritty of car maintenance. Today, we're tackling a topic that's often overlooked, but is crucial for your vehicle's performance and safety. Let's talk about a dirty little secret in the automotive world: suspension neglect. It's something that doesn't get the attention it deserves, yet it's vital for a smooth and safe ride. We baby our engines, pamper our paint jobs, but often forget the unsung hero of a smooth ride: our suspension system. While we spend hours ensuring our engines purr like kittens and our exteriors shine like diamonds, the suspension system quietly does its job, often without any recognition. Most folks think, hey, as long as it's not bottoming out, we're good, right? Wrong, big mistake. The suspension system is far more complex and essential than just preventing your car from scraping the ground. Suspension is about way more than just avoiding a bumpy ride. It's about maintaining control, ensuring safety, and providing comfort. Imagine driving on a rough road. Without a well-maintained suspension, every bump and pothole would be a jarring experience. Think of your car's suspension like the shock absorbers on a prizefighter. Just as a boxer relies on their ability to absorb punches to stay in the game, your car relies on its suspension to handle the stresses of the road. It takes the hits, absorbs the shocks, and keeps everything running smoothly. A well-maintained suspension system ensures that your car handles well, brakes effectively, and provides a comfortable ride. But just like any fighter, neglect will wear it down. Over time, the components of your suspension system can wear out, leading to decreased performance and even safety hazards. Worn-out shock absorbers, damaged struts, and other failing parts can compromise your vehicle's handling and stability. So buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the shocking truth about suspension maintenance. And trust me, you don't want to be caught off guard. We'll cover everything from the signs of a failing suspension to the steps you can take to keep it in top shape. Stay tuned, and let's ensure your ride remains smooth and safe. Ever wonder how your car hugs those corners like it's on rails, or stops on a dime in an emergency? That's your suspension working its magic. This intricate system of springs, shocks, struts, and bars does a whole lot more than just smooth out bumpy roads. It maintains tire contact, ensures even brake wear, and even impacts your car's handling and responsiveness. Neglecting your suspension is like asking a boxer to fight with one hand tied behind his back. Sure, he might get by for a while, but eventually it's going to catch up to him. Here's the kicker about suspension problems: they often creep up on you. Unlike a sudden engine clang or a check engine light screaming for attention, suspension issues can be sneaky. One day you might notice your car bouncing a little more than usual after a speed bump, or maybe you feel a slight pull to one side when you brake hard. These are whispers, folks, not shouts. Ignoring these early warning signs is like ignoring a small leak in your roof. Sure, it's just a drip now, but wait till the rainy season hits. Listen up, penny pinchers. Skipping suspension maintenance might seem like a good way to save a few bucks in the short term, but trust me, it'll cost you big time down the road. Worn-out suspension components can lead to premature tire wear, putting a serious dent in your wallet. Not to mention the increased risk of accidents due to poor handling and braking. Remember, folks, a well-maintained suspension isn't just about comfort, it's about safety too. And safety, as we all know, is priceless. Section 5. Mechanic's Secret: the shocking truth about wear and tear. When it comes to maintaining your vehicle, there's one aspect that often gets overlooked: the suspension system. Most people think about oil changes, tire rotations, and brake checks, but the suspension? Not so much. Yet, it's one of the most critical components for a smooth and safe ride. Now let's get down to brass tacks. The suspension system is like the unsung hero of your car. It absorbs all the shocks and bumps from the road, ensuring that you and your passengers have a comfortable ride. But, like any hero, it has its limits. Here's a little industry secret. Most car manufacturers recommend a suspension inspection every 50,000 miles. This might sound like a lot, but think about how much your car goes through in that time. Every bump, every pothole, every sudden stop, it all adds up. But here's the kicker: that's just a starting point. Depending on your driving habits and the conditions of the roads you frequently travel, you might need to check your suspension even more often. It's not just about the miles, it's about the wear and tear your car endures daily. The truth is, your driving conditions play a huge role in suspension wear and tear. If you're constantly driving on rough roads, navigating through potholes, or stuck in heavy city traffic, your suspension is working overtime. It's like asking a marathon runner to sprint. Eventually something's gotta give. Frequent driving on rough roads, potholes, or even heavy city traffic can significantly shorten the lifespan of your suspension components. Every time your car hits a bump or a pothole, the suspension system takes a hit. Over time, these impacts can cause serious damage, leading to costly repairs. It's like comparing a marathon runner to a sprinter. Both are athletes, but one puts a lot more stress on their body over time. The marathon runner, with their long, steady pace, represents a car driven on smooth, well-maintained roads. The sprinter, with their intense bursts of speed, represents a car driven on rough, uneven terrain. Both types of driving put stress on the car, but in different ways. The marathon runner might experience wear and tear over a longer period, while the sprinter might face more immediate, intense strain. Similarly, a car driven on rough roads will experience more immediate wear and tear on its suspension system. Same goes for your car's suspension. Regular inspections and maintenance are crucial to ensure that your suspension system remains in top condition. Don't wait for a problem to arise. Be proactive and keep your car running smoothly. After all, a well-maintained suspension system means a safer, more comfortable ride for you and your passengers. Section 6. Smooth Operator, Simple Tips for a Longer-Lasting Ride. So how do you keep your suspension singing a happy tune for miles to come? It's all about proactive care, folks. First things first. Regular inspections are key. Don't wait for a problem to arise before getting your suspension checked. Second, pay attention to your tires. Uneven tire wear is often a telltale sign of suspension trouble. Finally, be mindful of your driving habits. Avoid potholes when possible, and take speed bumps with a gentle touch. Remember, a little TLC goes a long way. Section 7. The $5 Fix, a shockingly effective maintenance secret. Now, for that game-changing tip I promised. If you're tired of dealing with a noisy, unstable ride, this one's for you. Ready for this? It's all about your sway bar links. These small but mighty components play a huge role in your vehicle's handling. These little guys are crucial for stability, especially during cornering. They connect the sway bar to the suspension, helping to reduce body roll. Over time, the bushings on these links can wear out, leading to clunking noises and sloppy handling. You might notice your car feels loose or wobbly, especially when taking turns. But here's the kicker. Replacing them is often a cheap and easy fix. You don't need to be a professional mechanic to tackle this job. A set of new sway bar link bushings can cost you as little as $5, and they can make a world of difference in your car's performance. You can even find YouTube videos showing you how to replace them yourself. These tutorials are incredibly detailed, guiding you step by step through the process. Talk about a small investment for a big improvement. Not only will you save money, but you'll also gain the satisfaction of fixing your car yourself. So next time your car starts making those annoying noises, remember this $5 fix. It could be the key to a smoother, quieter ride. Section 8. Beyond the garage, suspension and your safety on the road. Remember what we talked about earlier? Suspension isn't just about a comfortable ride, it's about safety too. A well-maintained suspension system ensures that your car responds predictably in emergency situations. It keeps your tires firmly planted on the road, allowing you to brake effectively and steer with precision. Think about it. In a panic stop situation, every inch counts. Do you really want to gamble with a worn-out suspension that could compromise your car's ability to stop on a dime? Section 9. Drive the dream, keep your ride smooth and your wallet happy. So there you have it, folks. The shocking truth about suspension maintenance revealed. Remember, a little knowledge and proactive care can go a long way in keeping your ride smooth, safe, and your wallet happy. Don't be that driver limping along on worn-out shocks and struts. Take care of your suspension and it'll take care of you. Now get out there and enjoy the open road.